Almost every home has seen this insect, but do you know why it survives so well? Cockroaches are one of the most common insects found in human homes, especially in warm and humid places. Cockroaches can live without food for weeks, hide in tiny cracks, and survive extreme conditions. That's why they are so hard to eliminate. Cockroaches carry bacteria and allergens that can contaminate food and trigger allergies and asthma. In nature, cockroaches help break down organic waste and recycle nutrients. Cockroaches are pests in homes, but important recyclers in ecosystems.